Wow, we are here in a brand new brewery near Ghent, BeerSelect. Kasper, good morning. Can you introduce yourself?
I'm Kasper. We're at BeerSelect. We're a contract brewer and a co-packer for mostly beverage industry, mostly beer, but also non-alcoholic drinks.
The TopClip and the TopClip machine.
Yes. So yeah, the TopClip fits perfectly into our sustainable mindset. And at BeerSelect, we want to give the maximum flexibility in terms of packaging and production runs to our customers. We do the regular cans, we do the sleek cans, we do 4-packs, 6-packs, later we will do 8-packs, so it can do everything.
How was the collaboration since the beginning with Smurfit Kappa?
Actually very good. On the one side you have the machine, you have the technical experience, and on the other side you have of course the TopClip cardboard itself.
So you started very well.
We started very well. Actually the startup was very good. It's a quite simple, easy machine. We also focused a lot on operator friendliness and changeover time. We made improvements together with Smurfit Kappa, and the result is there.